Ever wondered if those HubSpot meetings you're attending or even leading could actually be a source of income? It's a question many people ask, especially as the world of online business and marketing continues to evolve. We're constantly looking for ways to monetize our skills and time, and if you're already involved with HubSpot, you might be sitting on a goldmine of potential earnings. In this video, we're diving deep into exactly how you can earn from HubSpot meetings, exploring various avenues, from freelance consulting to affiliate marketing and beyond. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's clarify what we mean by HubSpot meetings. This could encompass a range of scenarios. Client meetings where you're discussing HubSpot strategies, internal team meetings focused on HubSpot implementation, or even networking events where HubSpot is a central topic of conversation. The key is understanding how to leverage these interactions to create income streams. One of the most straightforward ways to earn from HubSpot meetings is through freelance consulting. Many businesses, especially small to medium-sized enterprises, recognize the power of HubSpot but lack the in-house expertise to fully utilize its features. This is where you come in. If you're proficient in HubSpot, whether it's setting up workflows, managing contacts, creating marketing campaigns, or analyzing data, you can offer your services as a freelance consultant. Think about the value you bring to the table. You're not just attending a meeting, you're providing solutions. You're helping businesses improve their marketing ROI, streamline their sales processes, and ultimately, grow their revenue. This expertise is valuable and businesses are willing to pay for it. So, how do you get started? First, identify your niche within the HubSpot ecosystem. Are you a master of inbound marketing? Do you excel at CRM management? Focusing on a specific area allows you to position yourself as an expert and attract clients who need that particular skill set. Next, build a portfolio showcasing your HubSpot successes. This could include case studies of previous projects, testimonials from satisfied clients, or even examples of your own HubSpot work. A strong portfolio demonstrates your capabilities and builds trust with potential clients. Finally, start networking. Attend HubSpot user groups, connect with businesses on LinkedIn, and actively participate in online communities. The more you network, the more opportunities you'll have to find clients who need your HubSpot expertise. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses directly and offer your services. Beyond freelance consulting, another lucrative way to earn from HubSpot meetings is through affiliate marketing. HubSpot has a robust affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions by referring new customers. Imagine you're in a client meeting discussing the benefits of HubSpot CRM, and the client decides to sign up. If you use your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission on their subscription. This can be a significant source of passive income, especially if you're consistently recommending HubSpot to your clients or within your network. The key here is transparency. Always disclose your affiliate relationship and only recommend HubSpot if you genuinely believe it's the right solution for the client's needs. Building trust is paramount in affiliate marketing. Now, let's explore another avenue: creating and selling HubSpot-related resources. If you're passionate about HubSpot and have a knack for creating educational content, you can develop and sell resources like templates, courses, or ebooks. These resources can be invaluable for businesses that are just starting with HubSpot or want to improve their existing strategies. For example, you could create a template for a high-converting landing page within HubSpot, or develop a course on how to use HubSpot's automation tools effectively. By packaging your knowledge and expertise into valuable resources, you can generate passive income while helping others succeed with HubSpot. Promoting these resources can be done through your website, social media, or even within your HubSpot meetings. If you're consulting with a client and realize they're struggling with a particular aspect of HubSpot, you can recommend your resource as a solution. Again, transparency is key. Don't push your resources on clients if they're not relevant to their needs. Another often overlooked opportunity is leveraging HubSpot meetings for lead generation. Every meeting you attend is a potential opportunity to connect with new clients, partners, or collaborators. Even if the meeting isn't directly related to HubSpot, you can still subtly introduce your expertise and the services you offer. For instance, if you're attending a networking event and someone mentions they're struggling with lead generation, you can share your experience with HubSpot and how it's helped you achieve results. This can lead to further conversations and potentially turn into a new client or partnership. The key to effective lead generation in HubSpot meetings is to be genuinely helpful and focus on building relationships. Don't just pitch your services at every opportunity. Listen to people's needs, offer valuable insights, and build genuine connections. Finally, consider the power of thought leadership. By sharing your HubSpot expertise through blog posts, webinars, or even social media content, you can position yourself as a thought leader in the HubSpot space. This can attract new clients, speaking opportunities, and even partnerships. When you're seen as an expert in HubSpot, businesses are more likely to seek you out for consulting, training, or other services. This can significantly increase your earning potential. And where do you showcase this thought leadership? You guessed it, through your HubSpot meetings. Share insightful articles, promote your webinars, and engage in meaningful discussions. So, from freelance consulting and affiliate marketing to creating resources and establishing thought leadership, the opportunities to earn from HubSpot meetings are vast and varied. The key is to identify your strengths, focus on providing value, and build genuine relationships within the HubSpot ecosystem. Don't be afraid to explore different avenues and find what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.